guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a really long time since I last uploaded a video on YouTube, but today I'm back with a brand new video and it is going to be my skincare routine. So let's get started. So starting off with face wash, I am a dry skin type, so I'm always looking for face washes and products which don't strip off the oils of my face and make it super dry. So this is the face wash I have been using for a while, and this one is quite simple and it's quite nice. I just washed my face with it before filming this video. So yeah, this is what I use and it's amazing, guys. The fragrance is not so much, but it's like the face wash smells like soap and a little bit floral. You know, it's really nice and refreshing. So this one is the one. I don't do a lot for my skincare routine except for face wash, face cream, but this is one additional step which I really enjoy doing, and this is the Herbal Rose Toner by Garnier. It's actually a rose water which I really love to apply before my face cream. It just like cools the skin down and gives a beautiful glow, like a natural glow. So the first time I used this on my face, it was so smooth. I mean, the texture of this rose water, I mean, it looks like regular rose water, but once you apply it, you know it is very smooth. Like, it is, how do I explain it? It just feels so good on your skin. And yeah, I really enjoy using this. So I'm just gonna apply it to show you because it's skincare routine, of course. So yeah, I like to apply a lot. Feels so good. And then after that, I just like to just rub it on my face like that till it has seeped into my skin. This rose water by itself gives a really nice glow to the skin, which I really like, and it hydrates the skin very much. Too much hydration is never enough, really. So after rose water, I really enjoy using aloe vera gel, and this one is the one I've been using, and this one is by a local brand named Patanjali, and this is their Saundarya aloe vera gel. You can use any available aloe vera gel in the market. They are all the same. You have brands like Face Shop, you've got Innisfree, but I really like using this one because it's cheap and the effects are same. And yeah, let's apply. I take a little bit of it and I apply it all over my face and neck. Aloe vera gel works really good if you are facing, acne, not acne actually, but like if you are facing a heat boil from, eating too much mangoes and stuff like that. I actually had one on my forehead and I just rubbed aloe vera gel on it for like 3 to 4 days and it went down instantly. It's how effective aloe vera gel is. And it cools the skin down. So this is how I apply in circular motions with my fingers, and it seeps right in and leaves a very nice natural looking glow, even more glowy than before. So after aloe vera gel, I really like to apply another face cream because too much hydration is never enough for me. I'm an extremely dry skin type, so I have to keep it maintained. So for face cream, I really like to use this one by St.Ives. It is a beautiful face cream. This was recommended to me by YouTuber Malvika Sitlani. She used to recommend, endorse this face cream so much. So I was like, what, let's give it a try. To search this cream, it took me like half a year because it's available almost nowhere. But surprisingly, I saw this in a shop near my house and I just picked it up and I was like, what, I'm trying it on. And since the first try, I have been seeing so much difference. I mean, it's literally the perfect cream to wear under your makeup, and you know, just usually like you can just apply it and sit at home and you have beautiful skin. And yeah, so I'm gonna apply it now. I don't take a lot of it. I just take, you know, this much. This is my second jar by the way, so I just take this much and I apply it all over my face and a little bit of my neck. This is how I apply it. You can see like instantly it's giving a very, you know, glass skin kind of effect. I apply very gently. I don't go harsh, rubbing my skin with that. So I just apply it like under my eyes, which is super moisturizing. So I love it. So with this face cream, we are almost finished with our skincare routine. This is what I do literally. And the last product which I really enjoy using is lip balm. Like, lip balm is a staple in everybody's, you know, routine. So this one is the one I use, and this one is by the Farmers, and this is their coconut oil formula lip balm, and it has SPF 15, so it's really good to wear in the sun. And it's like you're applying coconut oil on your lips. It is that good. Like, you have to apply a lot for it to, you know, actually show up. And I don't mind actually. I love a lot of lip balm. This is how I apply it. The tube is also really different. It's like flat. It's not the regular round, you know, container, and it's like oval shape, like a flat oval. So I really like that. So I applied the lip balm, and with this skincare routine is over. A little bit of additional information about extra skincare, like sunscreen and face masks and stuff. I apply sunscreen whenever I'm stepping out of the house, like on my arms, on my neck, on my face, and if my feet are exposed, then on the feet as well. And I like to use any sunscreen. I have used Lakme, I have used Biotique. I use different brands all the time. My sunscreen tube, actually I cannot find it right now, so I cannot show you. I'm really sorry for that. But I do these steps if I'm heading. Sorry, the bell rang. So for face masks, I really like to use these ones by Garnier. Actually, this blue one is my favorite. Again, it is Hydra Bomb, so hydration. I love anything that says Hydra or hydration. I love feeling moisturized and, you know, just wow of that. And I don't use face masks like quite often. If I'm more like sitting at home and I'm like, chalo, face mask is there. So these are the face masks I use. I don't do a lot, like once a month or twice a month if I'm in the mood. So for scrubs, I don't scrub my skin a lot unless it's for an occasion or a wedding or a party. And I like to use this one by St.Ives, and I have heard that this one is not really good. So I use this for my arms and my legs to exfoliate the dead skin cells over there. But for face, I really wouldn't recommend this because it can be a little harsh if you are using it. But I have an alternative for it. You can use your coffee grounds, your sugar and your oil, and you can mix these ingredients up, and you can just scrub your skin very gently along with it, and it will leave your skin so soft and smooth. I've tried it, so I hope you try it as well. In case if you don't want to use any scrub available in the market. So this is all what I do for my skincare routine, you guys. Like, this video was requested to me by so many of people on Instagram and friends in general. Everybody was like, Aditi, do a skincare routine. But I was always like, I just apply aloe vera gel and face cream. Who the hell is going to watch my video? But you know what, everybody has a skincare routine, so I was like, you know what, let's share my skincare routine with someone. And I really hope you took a little something away from this video, and I hope it helped in different words. And I hope you enjoyed watching it, and see you in the next one, you guys. Bye bye.